What's that gorgeous thing, babe? It smells so good.
Hey, love, it's the ribeye. We're having a proper feast tonight.
I love it when you cook. You just know how to handle these big cuts.
Darling, so tell me, are we going for medium tonight? That's usually your favorite.
Medium? I think I want a little bit more done than that. Maybe like 7 out of 10.
See, you mean 7 out of 10? That's medium well, my love. I can certainly do that for you.
Yes, medium well. What about 30%, babe?
Right. 30% done. That's medium rare.
Haha. How about 90 and 0%?
Okay, 90% is well done. We only order that for the people we don't like. And 0% is blue or rare. That means the cow just walked past the grill.
You are so ridiculous, but I get it now. Blue, medium rare, medium well.
I could teach you how to say better, babe. Blue, medium rare, medium well. Hey everyone, let's quickly nail the 5 levels of steak doneness. 1. Rare. This is barely cooked, about 10% done. 2. Is medium rare. Level 2 is medium rare. That's usually about 30% cooked. Level 3 is right in the middle, medium. That means 50% done. Then comes medium well. That's more like 70% done. Getting quite firm. Final level, well done. This is 90% or more cooked, with no pink inside.
5 levels, 5 percentages, sorted.
Why not join our daily one-on-one with fluency coaches? Learn to speak like a local. Message us now.